today we pulled together a large number of stakeholders, from academia to businesses to charities, third sector. We pulled them together to sit around the table and come up with ideas, opportunities, solutions, and just explore the topic about how we can work together to improve physical activity and healthy ageing in Wales.
We're hoping that maybe people are starting to look at what they're doing and how they're doing it in a different way, and starting to look at older people in a different way. That is very much where we focus our research, in terms of trying to understand experiences from the person's perspective, who's engaging in those experiences and living those experiences. So trying to maybe break down barriers of stereotypes, and bring older people more into the conversation. So the notion of co-design, co-creation is something that we're learning quite a lot about in the research that we're doing.
Okay, so I think for me it was networking. It's also a good opportunity, and also for me it was probably the reverse, that it was reassuring that people were talking about the same kind of things that I'm pulling up from my research and from the literature.
I think it re-emphasises from what we've been doing, because coming from an academic sense, that's sort of the angle that we're coming from, but then seeing other people's experiences in the real world, they agree with each other that what we're discovering in the research and what they're getting in the real world, yeah, they match up pretty well.